Assalamu alaikum. Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to International Opportunity Hub. So, guys, if you are new in my channel, please watch my previous video. They will help you in getting international scholarship, internship, and exchange program for the year of 2022. So, today we are going to discuss the Victoria University of Wellington scholarship program that is for the year of 2022 in New Zealand. Victoria University of Wellington Scholarship 2022 for international students. Applications are invited to apply for the Victoria University of Wellington Scholarship in New Zealand. Students, those who want to study in New Zealand for the degree of Bachelor, Master and PhD are encouraged to apply. The scholarship is available for academic session of 2022 to 2023. Students with excellent educational background enrolling in first year of undergraduate or entering in postgraduate degree can apply for the award 10 scholarship of $10,000 New Zealand or for bachelor and master degree students and 9 awards of 5,000 New Zealand dollars are for master degree only. Also 110 PhD awards are given to students every year with a value of $27,500 stipend annually plus tuition fees. The grant is available towards tuition fee once candidate enrolled in the university. University is providing a great teaching system to students to learn a lot of skills here. Students have a best opportunity to study free in New Zealand. So, Victoria University of Wellington Scholarship 2022 details. The university host is Victoria University of Wellington and the degree level are Bachelor, Master and PhD. Scholarship coverage is their tuition fee and the eligibility nationality international students from all over the world can apply for this scholarship program. Award country is New Zealand and the capital of New Zealand is Wellington. The last date to apply for this scholarship is 1st June 2022. Financial benefits. Victoria University of Wellington Scholarship 2022 for international students will give an amount of $10,000 New Zealand for undergraduate and master degree students, and these are 10 awards total, and 9 awards of an amount of $5,000 New last name, your silent phone number, your date of birth, your email and your password, then confirm password and then submit it. And they will send